Hey guys, Lisa Callaghy here to share with you a video on how to interpret the Math Seeds placement test scores for your students in grades 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so here I am on the Manage Progress page. This is where you would find the results to the placement tests for your students in Math Seeds. So to get to that, you would just go to Management on the left-hand side menu bar, and then choose Manage Progress. So I'm in here as a school admin, so I'm looking at all the students, but when you come in, you will just see the students that you have in your schedule for math. If you're departmentalized, you can click on this drop-down menu and you will be able to switch between your two math classes. All right, so let's take a look. So up at the top, you'll see a little handy grade by grade quick guide to check your students' placements. So what it's showing you here is my lessons column and mental minute column, and then you'll see the rows that pertain to certain grade levels. So it's pretty straightforward, but what you would need to do is come down to My Lessons, and that's where your students' placement test scores, you will see their placement test scores for their most recent placement test. So taking that score and bringing that up to the guide, you'll be able to tell what grade level your students scored on the placement test. And if you have your students taking the mental minute addition and subtraction or mental minute multiplication and division, those are not placement tests. Those are just areas within the programs that the students can access. But when they do access those areas, it does give them a score. And you can use those scores again under the mental minute column to see and interpret what grade level the students scored in. Okay, so from here you would take that information and utilize some PDFs, or even within the program some areas that you can add to your students' assignments, or even print out worksheets to support your students in building their math skills. There are other videos on that within the Math Seeds playlist on the EdTech YouTube channel. All right, so this has been a video on how to interpret your Math Seeds placement test scores, as well as the mental minute addition and subtraction and multiplication and division scores for your students. All right, guys, I hope this helps. Have a great day.